What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to be pumping out videos Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And Saturday, I'm going to reveal to you guys the tragedy of the BRICS rate. So you guys have been giving me requests. I have one of them that I really like that you requested to me. And some of these stocks that you mentioned to me, they don't even distribute dividends. I'm not going to review them if they don't distribute a dividend. But these three dividend stocks to buy, they have serious dividend growth potential. The revenue backs them up. And these are popular dividend stocks that people own. And I'm very impressed with one of the requests that you guys gave me. And I'm highly considering adding it to my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. So one other thing, you guys got to hit that notification bell. I've posted videos on certain stocks that you guys told me to review videos on. And, I'm like, hey, did you watch my video or did you hit the notification bell? Because, a week or so ago, if you told me to request a stock, if you hit that notification bell, things would pop up and you would watch that video. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up that there's a reason why I encourage you guys to hit that notification bell, because I pump out videos 5 or more a week. I know a lot of you guys are new to this channel since we're at 8,000. And I'm just very excited to see this channel grow, and I do this for you guys. So all I ask you to do is smash that like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And let's check these stocks out right now. First dividend stock I want to mention to you guys is Utz Brands. UTZ is a symbol. It's sitting at 1458. So one thing that you'll notice is you'll see that logo a lot in gas stations. So, they have some products that a lot of people like and buy at the gas station, especially if you're in line in the gas station. That's one of the most popular places I see this logo at. And I'll review these guys because some of you guys may not even know about this company. They have a dividend yield of 1.48%. The volume is 587.64K. The market cap is 1.99 billion US dollars. The year range is 1350 to 3009. So there is a dip. The day range is 1443 to 1481. Its previous close was 1441. So what do these guys bring to the table? I'm sure you guys have seen their snacks. These guys are huge with snacks. This is just some of them that they bring to the table. And I see this at the gas station all the time. Their brands, pretzels, chips. So that's one thing. Bagel chips. So you're seeing stuff that people buy in the store for snacks, and people like snacks. The original chips. So look at their diversification on what they bring to the table. Cheese balls. There's a lot that they bring to the table. Party mix. And I just clicked on one thing, and this is other stuff that they bring to the table. So kettle cooked, Snyder, Anderson, TGI Fridays with some of their snacks, Golden Flakes. So this is all stuff that they have for people that enjoy snacks. So look, I'll just click TGI Fridays with some of the stuff with their stuff. So the potato skins, that's a big one that they have on the shelves. So you're seeing the type of stuff that they bring to the table. And their revenue and their dividend history is very interesting. So let's check this out. Looking at these guys, they're kind of a new kid on the block. And look at their revenue in millions US dollars. It's increasing. So 2018 it's 772, 2019 it's 768, and 2020 it's 964. So you're seeing some revenue growth. And that's very attractive as a company because people, again, gluttony is a sin. People buy products. Now, the dividend yield's a little bit low. Let's go over their dividend history. So these guys kind of came out during a rough time during the pandemic. Sure, they have a high PE ratio. They're a new kid on the block. Dividend yield is 1.49%. The annual dividend is 21 cents. But you're seeing this dividend hike over time. Look, I know it's 5 cents to 6 cents, but it goes to 5, and then it's right here with an announcement of a dividend hike by the board of directors. So it's 1451, a 1.49%. There is a dip there. So that's one thing that's, as an investor, that's what you like to see. And the dip is there. So I just want to keep you guys, let's just say, I want to alert you guys that this is one that's down, and this is one that has serious dividend growth potential, and the revenue is increasing. So this is a new kid on the block. I just want to make you guys aware of this one. This next one I want to show you, and this one's I'm considering adding on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. Let's check this out. And this one I'm considering adding on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. So don't let this dividend yield turn you off and make you consider it's a yield trap, because I'm going to go over this. So it's Ready Capital Corp. Its dividend yield is 11.05. It hasn't done well against the S&P. The PE ratio is 7.39. The volume is 1.00 billion. Market cap is 1.74 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1324 to 1678. Day range is 1493 to 1521. Its previous close was 1496. So there is a significant dip there. So that's one thing that I realized with these guys, and I'll review these guys and go over their revenue and their dividend history with you guys. Ready Capital is a multi-strategy real estate finance company that originates, acquires, finances, and services small to medium-sized balanced commercial loans. We specialize in the loans backed by commercial real estate, including agency, multifamily, investor, and bridge, as well as SBA business loans. Headquartered in New York City, Ready Capital employs over 600 professionals nationwide. As you can tell, this is a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. It appears to be one. So you have to be very careful with M-REITs and checking out if they're a yield trap or if they're not even worth your time. So let's check these guys out with their revenue and their dividend history. So looking at their revenue, this is 2014, it's 92.94. 2015, it's 148.95. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 137.02. Then 138.30. Then 169.49. Then 229.91. And then 258. So there is a huge increase in revenue from 2014 to 2020. That makes these guys an attractive mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. Let's check out their dividend history. Look at these guys. So 2018, 2019, 40 cents. And then the pandemic hit, 25 cents. You can see that 30, 35, 30. And it looks like they distributed a special dividend with 10 cents. But they're increasing their dividend. And remember, is a real estate investment trust. 90% of what they make goes back to investors. That includes business development companies. So 42 cents is their distribution. 2018 and 2019, it was 40 cents. So there is some serious potential with these guys. Now, Utz, I think, is a little bit safer. These guys are a little bit riskier because you see the dividend yield. The revenue is good. So that's one thing that I like, is the revenue is increasing. So this one I'm considering buying, highly considering buying on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. I like the dividend history. I like the price per share. It's cheaper. It's actually cheaper than Arbor Realty Trust. And so far, these two mortgage-backed real estate investment trusts are very attractive. So Ready Capital Corporation, Arbor Realty Trust. I think Arbor might be the best, but these guys might be the second best mortgage-backed real estate investment trust that I've seen. So this is one that I should probably, I'm probably going to buy it. Again, I'm not giving financial advice. And this is for entertainment purposes only. And disclaimer in this description, I have to repeat myself numerous times just to let you guys know. But I like this one, and this one's very attractive. And let's jump to the final dividend stock. This one is CareTrust. This is a real estate investment trust sitting at 1761. It has a dividend yield of 6.25%, PE ratio of 23.68, a volume of 704.97K, market cap 1.71 billion. The year range is 1686 to 2485. Its day range was 1747 to 1791, and its previous close was 17.76. They're not doing good against the S&P. That's one thing that's very attractive with this real estate investment trust. So let's go over these guys real quick. Check this out. CareTrust acquires and leases senior housing and healthcare properties across the country to operators of all sizes. Our mission is twofold: to help top-notch healthcare operators realize their growth potential while delivering steady value to our shareholders through investments, a well-protected dividend, and a best-in-class tenant roster. So 71% is skilled nursing, 17% is assisted living, and 11% is campuses. They have 224 properties, 23,432 beds, 27 states, 160 skilled nursing facilities, 39 assisted living facilities, independent living facilities, and 24 campuses. And the unfortunate thing is people are getting older and sicker. And since people are getting older and sicker and there's more comorbidities, there's a rise in amputations because of diabetes, there's a rise in heart attacks, there's a rise in strokes. So these guys are always going to be in demand. Skilled nursing is going to be in demand all the time. People fall, they fracture their hip in the winter. I mean, just things happen, unfortunately, and healthcare is huge. So these guys, as real estate investment trusts, are pretty well diversified in the healthcare industry. So let's check out their revenue and their dividend history. Revenue wise, they're doing fantastic. This is in millions of US dollars: 74.951, 104.67, 2017 132.98, 2018 156.94, 2019 163.401, 2020 178.332, and 2021 192.35. So this is why I own these guys and have them in my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. And I'll show you their dividend history. Check this out. So check this out. 2017, 18 cents. 2018, 20 cents. 2019, 22 cents. 2020, 25 cents. And 2021, 26 cents. And then 3/30, they hit 27 cents. So you're seeing growth potential with this dividend stock, and you're seeing the trends. So this is what I like about these guys. And they have a 6.19% dividend yield. And again, with a real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make comes back to us as investors. So let me know what you think of this video. If you guys are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one.